Okay, first of all, I will do some introductions about this control panel. Alright, before we going through the jogging process, this is the mouse, this is the key. So basically, if we use the mouse to move the KUKA robot, we are not going to use a key. It's either we are using the key or we use the mouse. It's okay. Another thing that we need to take note is that the speed of the KUKA robot. First, you switch on the control setting for the speed. As you can see here, T1, T2 automatic, and EXT is automatic extend. Okay, so T1 is the relatively slower KUKA machine speed as compared to T2. T2 will be faster and automatic will be as automatic. Okay, so this basically we choose one of this and we proceed it to moving to our KUKA robot. And here is the speed that we can actually edit and change. This is the program override for 100% the KUKA robot speed, and this one and this the below 53% is the manual jog override, which is we are going to use the key or the mouse. Okay, another thing that we need to take note is that when we're trying to move the KUKA robot, we need to press on this white button in order to let the second button to change from white to green like this, in order for us to move the robot like that. As you can see, after we press on the white button, we can move the robot like this. That's all from me. Thank you. And to control the screen, here has 4 keys. Now we try on the access. So here will be green so that we can control. So now A1, the basement, in clockwise, which is plus. Now negative will be the anti-clockwise. Okay, so now A2 plus, which is clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. A3 plus minus, A4 plus minus, A5 plus minus, A6 will be the heat. Turning Z, clockwise, clockwise. Okay. Now let us move on to another axis, another person, please. So we're going to whirl. As you can see, when we press X, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative, Y, positive, negative, Z, positive, negative, A, positive, negative, B, positive, action.
Next, I will move on to base. As first is the x-axis. You can see if moving down. So we move on to y. Be positive and then negative right now. So we go into z-axis, which is right now is in positive. Now is in negative. So continue to A in positive directions and negative directions. Then is P in positive and negative. Right now is C in positive directions and negative.
Action. Okay.
So next we move to the true coordinate system. True coordinate system is a rectangular coordinate system where the origin is according to the based on the true. So next we see the motion of x positive, x negative, y positive, y negative, z positive, z negative is according to the true as the origin. And for the a positive, a negative, b positive, b negative, c positive, c negative. Okay, that's all for the true coordinate system.
Okay, now we're going to create a new file. So our group is M3. So press OK, and we're going to create a. Sorry. So we're going to open it. As you can see, this is the the commands. So we're going to change some of them. Okay, so X. As you can see, the KUKA robot is moving. Y positive. Motion to linear. And press command OK. Yes. Yes. So second person will be proceed. So I will proceed to another location. So I will try on Z position. Plus it will go up. Okay, I stop here. Now next I go to X position. It will go in front of me. Okay, I stop here. Okay, now what I do now it will be motion. So I choose point to point. Yeah, point to point. So I will click OK. So pass the next person who gets his desired position.
Okay. Next, I choose the axis y positive. You can see the KUKA robot is going to x-axis positive and also x negative. Then select our motion. I will select the linear and OK. Next. Our God chilling.
So next, I will proceed to the next command line. You can see right now it's an X direction positive, and next is a Y directions in negative. So next, proceed with the point-to-point motions and the commands finish here. So I will proceed to the next image. He will explain how is the command and how is the program is work for.
Okay. After we done the file for the programming, now we go back to the basic. So first we exit the file. Okay, now this is the M3 file. So we will be selecting the file. And this is the program that is done by my previous group mates. And from the initial, first of all, we need to press the white button as usual. We need to press it to enable the green light on the I button. Then as you can see, the R button is in yellow color. We will start our program by clicking this button over here, play. Once we click here, basically the KUKA robot will return it to its original position, and now the R is in red color, which means it's ready for the program motions. Before this, I would like to introduce the thing which is this one. There's go and motion. The go basically is one shot motion that from the 4th line until the 8th line until the end. And the motion is basically that we need to go step by step, maybe from 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 by pressing the play button one by one. So basically, let's see the go motion in one shot. So basically, we will press another time on this play button. The R will be turned into green color. As you can see over there, this is our program motion. So now the KUKA robot will return back to its original position, and that's the end of our program.
Okay.
Thank you.